Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to revise the next chapter of grammar, that is adverbs. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are the words which add more information about a verb, adverb or an adjective. How many kinds of adverbs are there? Adverb of manner, place, time, frequency, degree and interrogative adverbs. So there are 6 kinds of adverb. What is adverb of manner? In which we get the answer of how, that is known as adverb of manner. For example, he ran fast and overtook all the other runners. How did he run? He ran fast. So when we get the answer of how, that is known as adverb of manner. Next is adverb of place. In adverb of place, we get the answer of where. For example, we search for the little girl everywhere. So the answer of where is here, everywhere. Right? Where did you find the girl? We find the girl everywhere. Where did you search for the girl? We search for the girl everywhere. So everywhere is here a adverb of place. For example, he is waiting for me outside. Where is he waiting for me? Outside. So when we get the answer of where, it is known as adverb of place. Next is adverb of time. When we get the answer of when. He is going for the picnic tomorrow. When is he going for the picnic? Tomorrow. So when we get the answer of when, it is known as adverb of time. In adverb of manner, we are talking about how. Adverb of place, we are getting the answer of where. In adverb of time, we will get the answer of where. Next is adverb of frequency. In adverb of frequency, we talk about the things that how many times they are repeated. For example, he rarely visits us these days. Rarely. How many times? Rarely. Right? I have often made hasty decisions. How many times you have made? How often you made hasty decision? Often makes. When it comes to very rarely, we use the word often. Adverb of degree. In adverb of degree, we talk about like he walks slowly. Here slowly is adverb of manner. But when we say he walks quite slowly or very slowly, so here quite and very are adverb of degree. Last is interrogative adverbs. When we talk about the question words, how, where, when, why, these all are interrogative adverbs. So now let's discuss some questions related to the kinds of adverb. So the exercise which we are going to do is identify the types of adverb. First question is, the boy practiced his speech regularly. How often the boy is practicing his speech? Regularly. So the adverb here is regularly and it is adverb of frequency. Next, the phone kept ringing constantly. Now how often the phone kept ringing? Constantly. So constantly again here is a adverb of frequency. The people have gone out. Where the people had gone? They have gone out. So out here is adverb of place because we are getting the answer of where. I have heard the story before. When have you heard the story? We are getting the answer of when. So when we get the answer of when, then the adverb is adverb of time. So here the before is adverb of time. Are you quite sure? So here the word quite is modifying the word sure, right? So here the quite is adverb of degree. Next is, you are driving too carelessly. Now here the word too is describing more about carelessly. So here too is adverb of degree. I always try my best. Here how often you try your best? Always. So always is adverb of frequency. Last is, you are quite right. The word quite is adding more information about right. So quite is here adverb of degree. I hope now you can identify adverbs and their types very nicely. Now the next topic is comparison of adverb. Here it is divided into 3 parts, that is positive, comparative and superlative. When we talk about positive, in that we only use the first form. In comparative we use the second form. We add er to the verb, and in superlative we add est to the verb. In positive we talk about a single subject. In comparative we compare one subject to the another, and in superlative we compare the one subject to the rest of the all. It can be two or more than two. For example, he is a good boy. You are better than him. He is best of the all. When we talk about a single, we use the first one. When we talk about, we compare two subjects, we use comparative, means we add er to the verb. And when we talk about the one subject and compare it to the rest of the other, and they can be many. For example, they can be 2, 4, 8, 10, 100, and many more. So at that time we add est to the verb. But in some verbs, what do we add? We add more and most to form comparative and superlative, like slowly, more slowly, most slowly, politely, more politely, and most politely. Whereas we even change the words in some of the adverbs. For example, I have told you good, better, best, right? Little, less, least. Like this, we even change the words. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Now in the next worksheet, we will solve the worksheet of adverbs. Thank you class. Have a nice day.